Hi, this is Frank Lefebre, founder of On Fire to Retire. I want to talk about three things in this video: the importance of advertising and doing a DMO, which is a daily method of operation, doing something in your business every day. We use traffic exchanges, safe lists, email marketing, and a lot of banners and text ads that are just out there all the time working for you. Here's one of our banners now. This is Conversion Pros. They pay every Friday, and we advertise this on Friday, through the emails every Friday when we get paid. But we also place banners everywhere. And the second thing is the importance of using an autoresponder to build your list. It's very important. We use AIOP as our main one, and this is just the last few days. We also use Traffic Wave for a few things that we want to keep separate. This is a magazine ad I'm running, so I have set up through Traffic Wave, so they're isolated. And we also use Conversion Pros. And like I said, mainly on Fridays, we advertise Conversion Pros because they pay on Friday. So you can see the leads that we're getting. This is only back a few days. And that was my birthday, and I advertised Friday night. And you can just see tons of leads. And this is how you get signups. And the third thing I want to talk about are Dave Mosher's sites. This is one of them, simple text ads. You can see our banner here for Conversion Pros. But they now offer 19 super solo networks reaching over 737,000 combined members. And I'll have a list of Dave Mosher's sites below. He's got a lot more than I'm a member of. Let me just show you. I filtered these out. Dave Mosher. I'm in the Last Mailer, Sizzling Safe List, Featured Safe List, Mad Money, Rocket Mails, Avalanche, Evolution, and Super Solo ads. And the green ones are the one I paid into. And he has some really good deals. Like for $7 you get loaded with ads. And the third thing is using, this is Chrome. Chrome, they don't allow like autoplay videos anymore. And when you put these, like I have 98 banners I had here, and you have to type all this stuff in or copy and paste it in. I want to get some more banners going. See, my On Fire one's got 6 clicks on it. That's relatively new. These I just put in today. But here's the quick tip that'll save you time. If you go to Firefox, you get tons of advertising here, but set up advertising. And I was over there in Chrome like laboring. These are hot headers, these are hot links. You get 468 by 60 banners, 125 banners. These ones over here. And I bought the $7 package, and I just got tons of them. So I'm setting up these. I got 93 left. So anyway, let me show you a trick in Firefox. Once you add one, okay, these are the ones I have in there. And I'm adding them separate rather than putting, like you can add credits. You can add your credits to the existing campaign. But I don't want one or two out there with 1,000 or 2,000 credits. I want to have many little ones rotating. So anyway, once you put one of those on fire ones in there, you see that's what I was doing over there in Chrome. Taking me forever. But in Firefox, once you put it in once, look, in Chrome you have to type it in. Firefox, double click, boom, boom, or click once. On fire to retire. It's twice. Click twice. There's my banner. Click twice. There's my tracker. Preview it. See, I want to flood these sites with my On Fire to Retire banner because they get clicks. And save. Okay. That's done. Now, instead of going back, I go set up advertising. Banners. I'm going to run a bunch of these, and then I'm going to run a bunch of different ones. Click twice, On Fire to Retire. There's the banner. There's the target. You don't have to preview this every time because you know it's going to work. But that is an awesome quick tip that will save you tons of time. Then you want to sign up for his sites because they work. You get headline ads. I just put that in today. And I had over 100 banners. I still got to add 90 some of them. Then you get the button ads. These are the 125 by 125. Got a ton of those. 30 solo ads. This one I sent out, I got 11 clicks on it. This one I sent out a few minutes ago. It's sending soon. And I got 30 more to use. Then you get hot links. This one I had up there for a while. These ones I added today about the rotator. Traffic links, I haven't set any of those up yet. Headline ads, I got one up there. It's not approved yet. So you want to join as many of these sites as you can and send out solo ads. And some of them have, this one has post HTML, post text ads, read ads to earn credits. Oh, this is freaking awesome stuff. Okay, to recap, the importance of advertising and doing a DMO, something every day. Traffic exchanges, safe lists, email marketing, banners, text ads. The importance of using an autoresponder. Get an AIOP. It's only $10 a month. Even if you don't promote it. It pays 100% commission, but if you just want to use it to promote other programs, you can do that. Traffic Wave, Conversion Pros, all great programs. Viral ad space. It's advertising, endless advertising forever. Pays 100% commission through PayPal. And then Firefox. Try it on when you're placing ads. You can it'll save what you typed in there, and you double click on it, and it'll show back up. And Dave Mosher sites. He bought all of Greg Chadwick sites, or a lot of them, and he's buying up all these safe list sites that are like this one's been around since 2009. Well, he just bought it, and he's spiffing it up and just making them great again. And some of them have a lot of members. And I'm a JV member in here. I upgraded in this one, or he gave away a free upgrade or whatever. But it's just a ton of free advertising, or cheap advertising if you get the one-time offers. Okay, I've talked forever. That's 10 minutes. Talk to you soon. Have a great day.